Hi, today I will show you how to create from this to this or this. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. I will use this image as an example, or you can just do with anything or maybe with text. Now click the image, go to effect, blur, and just Gaussian blur and just set it whatever you want. And then go to the object and rasterize. Change the color model into bitmap with 150 resolution in transparent background and then click OK. This is the result, and I want to change it into 50 for the resolution. And how about if I change the resolution into 10? Okay, as you can see, you can adjust it as much as you want. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you!